at our decimal. I'll just wait. Okay, I am looking at our decimal place value packet, and we're going to practice writing our decimal numbers in number form, expanded form, and word form. We've been doing this with whole numbers quite a while, and we have practiced a little bit with decimal numbers. Okay, so our first decimal number, who can read that for me? How do I say that number? Olive.
12 and 3800.
Excellent. So remember, we read the whole number before the decimal. The decimal point says and then we read the whole number after it, and we name the column where it stops. Okay, so if we needed to, we could look here in our number system packet, and we could write this down like this. And we could see that the 8 is in the hundredths column, and so that's the column that we name. Okay, so let's write that out in word form. 12 and 30. Remember that dash? 8. I should have made 2 lines. Hundredths. 12 and 38 hundredths. Oh, and I did not spell hundredths right. Remember, we need to spell out 100 and then add the THS. I'll just stick that in there.
I did it.
Good job. Okay, and now, who can help me with the expanded form? How would I write the expanded form? Who can help me there? How about
Okay, so you do 10 plus 3
10 plus 2? That's the 12. That's pretty easy.
plus 0.3
Right, but how do we say that? We don't say 0.3. How do we say it?
plus 10
3/10 plus 3/10, okay? And then plus 800ths, which is 0.08. That is how that needs to look. And notice that we don't add a 0 here at the end of the 3. The value of that 3 is 3/10. 3/10 and 30 hundredths have an equal value, but we don't write 30 hundredths. We write 3/10. Okay? Okay, now we have a number in expanded form. Who can tell me what that number is in standard form? Standard form. What's our number? Landon?
45 and 602,000.
Close. 45. We've got that part. Then the and is our decimal point. What is that? 63 hundredths. It's 6/10 and 3 hundredths. So we write it like that. Okay, that's our standard form. Raise your hand if you can tell me the word form of that number. I want the word form of that number. Jameson.
45,000 and
Not 45,000.
45 and 6,300.
Okay, read it one more time.
45 and 6,300.
Very good. Everyone read it together. 45 and 63 hundredths. Now, I'm going to kind of draw a box here because I came, but I'm going to make 2 lines of writing because I learned a valuable lesson last time. 45 and 60. Remember that hyphen, 3, and this time I'm going to spell hundredths correctly. 45 and 63 hundredths. Okay, let's do one more together, and then I'm going to let you work with someone else, okay, to finish filling out this chart. Okay, we're not pointing to people that we're working with. We're going to do one more together. Okay, who can read this number for me? How do I say that number? Riley.
8 and 97.
Very good. 8 and remember 97 needs the hyphen. 97 hundredths. 100. Okay, how do I write that in expanded form? Who can help me? Who can help me? Thrinob.
8 plus 0 and 9.
9 what?
9 tenths.
9 tenths. 8 plus 9 tenths plus
0 and 7 hundredths.
7 hundredths. 0.07. That is how we write it in expanded form. Okay, we have about 10 minutes. I'm going to have you fill out the last 4. I'm going to give you a partner. We're going to work at a volume 1 to complete the last 4.